Hello everyone. In this video, I will find the value of this expression. 6 squared divided by 1 over 6 times 6. Some people make this common mistake that they begin with the multiplication. And when they do that, and their answer will be 36, which is wrong answer. To solve this question correctly, we have to follow the order of operation called PEMDAS. Some country call it BODMAS. This stands for parentheses. That is bracket, and it's not here. The next one is exponent, which is something like 2 raised to power 3. Is it here? Yes. So let's begin with this. 6 square means 6 square is equal to 6 times 6, and then 6 times 6 is 36. So we'll have 6 square here to be what? 36. Divide by 1 over 6 times 6. The next one here is multiplication and division. You work from left to right. Looking at this question, division came first, so we'll begin with that division. According to the rule called KCF, K stands for keep. We keep this 36 here. And then C stands for change. We change division to multiplication. The F stands for flip this fraction. That is, we take the invert of it, which is 6 over 1 times 6. 6 times 6 is equal to 216 times 6. And then 216 times 6 will give us 1296. This is the correct answer. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and share.